In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in Yahoo Mail for Windows step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you want to send a photo, a document, a PDF, or any other file, this guide will help you do it without confusion. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser on your Windows computer. You can use the browser you normally use, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once Yahoo Mail loads, sign into your account if you are not already signed in. After that, you'll be ready to create a new email message. Now look for the Compose button and click it. This opens a new email window where you can write your message and add attachments. If you are sending the email to someone, you can enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message first. Once your email is ready, it's time to attach the file. Inside the message window, find the attach icon, which usually looks like a paperclip. Click the attach icon to open your computer's file browser. This is where you can choose the file you want to send. Take a moment to browse through your folders and locate the exact file on your Windows PC. You can attach files stored on your desktop, in Downloads, or in any other folder on your computer. When you find the file, click on it once to highlight it, then click Open. Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the file to your email. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. You should see the file appear in the email window as an attachment, which tells you that it has been added successfully. If you want to attach more than one file, you can repeat the same process and add additional files one by one. Just click the attach icon again, select another file, and click Open. This is a great way to send multiple documents or images in one email without needing to create separate messages. Before you send the email, take one last look to make sure the attachment appears correctly. It's always a good idea to confirm the right file is attached, especially if you're sending something important. Once everything looks good, click Send to deliver your email with the attachment included. And that's it. You've now learned how to attach files in Yahoo Mail for Windows. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it only takes a few moments to do. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.